Welcome to SRN Knowledge Center. I am Pooja Verma, Faculty of Social Science at SRN International School, Jaipur. In the previous video, we have studied about the soil structure and soil profile. In this video, we will study about the classification of Indian soils in detail. So, let's get started. Soils are generally classified on the basis of their inherent characteristics and external features including texture, color, slope of land and moisture content in the soil. Soil Survey of India, established in 1956, made a comprehensive study of soils. On the basis of genesis, color composition and location, the soils of India have been classified as alluvial soils, black soils, red and yellow soils, laterite soils, arid soils, forest soils, saline soils and peaty soils. So let's talk about alluvial soils first. What are alluvial soils? Alluvial soils are widespread in the northern plains and the river valleys that cover about 40% of total areas of India is made up of alluvial soils. Alluvial soils are depositional soils as they are transported and deposited by rivers and streams. Alluvial soils are normally rich in potash but poor in phosphorus. In the upper and middle Ganga plains, two different types of alluvial soils are found. Khadar, that is the new alluvium and is deposited by floods, and Bhangar, that is created by a system of older alluvium deposited away from the floodplains. The alluvial soils are normally varying in nature from sandy loamy to clay, and its color varies from light grey to ash grey. Now let's talk about black soils. Black soils are also popularly known as Ragar soils. They are black in color. Black soils cover most of the Deccan Plateau. For example, black soil is found in parts of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Black soil is usually clayey, deep and impermeable. Therefore, it can retain the moisture for a very long time. It is very useful for the crops, especially cotton. Black soils are rich in lime, iron, magnesium, aluminium and also potash. The color of the black soil varies from deep black to grey black. Now let's talk about red and yellow soils. Red soils develop on crystalline igneous rocks in the areas of low rainfall, especially in the eastern and southern parts of the Deccan Plateau. Red soil develops a reddish color because of a wide diffusion of iron in crystalline and metamorphic rocks. On the other hand, it develops a yellow color when it occurs in a hydrated form. The fine-grained red and yellow soils are usually fertile, whereas coarse-grained soils found in dry upland areas have poor fertility. The red and yellow soils normally have poor content of nitrogen, phosphorus and humus. Now let's talk about next category of soil, that is laterite soils. The laterite soils develop in the areas of high temperature and high rainfall. The laterite soils are commonly found in the Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh and hilly areas of Odisha and Assam. Laterite soils are the result of intense leaching due to tropical rains. Because of rain, lime and silica are leached away and the soils become rich in iron oxide and aluminium. Laterite soils, however, are poor in organic material, nitrogen, phosphate and calcium, but these are rich in iron oxide and potash. Laterite soils are normally infertile, however, it is widely used to make bricks used in building constructions. Next, we are having arid soils. Lower horizons of the arid soils are occupied by the conker layers because of the increasing calcium carbonate content downwards. Arid soils have poor content of humus and organic matter. Arid soils are typically developed in the western Rajasthan. Saline soils. Saline soils contain a larger proportion of sodium, potassium and magnesium, and thus they are infertile and do not support vegetation. Because of the dry climate and poor drainage system, saline soil contain more salt. Saline soils are normally found in the arid and semi-arid regions as well as in waterlogged and swampy areas. Deficient in nitrogen and calcium, saline soils are found in western Gujarat, deltas of the eastern coast and in Sundarban areas of West Bengal. Forest soils. Forest soils are usually formed in the forest areas where sufficient rainfall is available. Like other organisms, soils are living systems as they too develop and decay. They get degraded and they respond to proper treatment if administered in time. Peaty soils. In the areas of heavy rainfall and high humidity, large quantities of dead organic matter accumulates and enrich humus and organic content that forms the peaty soils. Peaty soils are normally heavy and black in color and are widely found in the northern parts of Bihar, southern part of Uttaranchal and the coastal areas of West Bengal, Odisha and Tamil Nadu. We will be continuing with the remaining topic in the next video. If you have liked the video and find it helpful, then please like and share. Also subscribe our channel SRN International School. Thank you. Have a great day.